Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Gone. And since you have come onto this video, I am pretty sure you're looking forward to learn about the basics of podcast because I recently started my podcast and I am already live on various podcasting streams like Spotify, Anchor, Radio Public, Google Podcast, etc. And this video is going to be very useful for those who are planning to start their own podcast series sooner or later. So stay tuned to this video and I'm going to talk about the basic equipments, technicalities and attributes required at least to start your basic podcast, just to get going. And before we dig into this video, let's play the trailer. So now, first thing first, what is podcast? Podcast is an audible platform available on various streaming apps wherein you can use and choose your own topics. Like it works similar to the YouTube. Okay, like you can just go on Spotify and type exactly what you're looking to hear and you can choose. Same like YouTube, you just go and the search option, you type your agenda, what you like to search, and then you can just go by it. Similarly, the podcasting also works. Now, podcasting focuses on three major categories like music, storytelling, and interviews. My agenda and niche is going to be storytelling so far. So let's talk about how it works. Now it's totally up to you that which of these categories you are good at and you want to start off with. But let's say you are just a beginner and you are still discovering your niche. I would recommend you to start with the storytelling and then you can go and explore various categories of Spotify. I suck at singing personally, but if you can make good music, you should make your own music. If you are good at interviewing people or having a chat, entertaining or motivating conversation, you can start with conversation. If your forte is going to be storytelling, then you have to work accordingly on it. There is no definite formula. It totally depends upon the niche you have chosen. Now, when you make a video in YouTube, it allows you to choose a category like either entertainment, education, lifestyle, etc. and etc. Similarly, podcast also allows you to choose your niche and category. So let's say for an example, you are talking about spirituality. So you can choose the topic spirituality and then you can release a video and you can go ahead with the same. But it does not restrict you like same like YouTube. You can choose various categories with various videos. Similarly, it's not like you will be restricted to only one category. So you can take a boat and you can sail through all the categories available. So to just simplify it further on for you, I'm going to divide and break down this video into two parts. I'm going to talk about the technical equipments and the skills which you require, and I'm also going to talk about the soft skills and the personality attributes which you would require. I'm going to keep it very precise and simple for you. It's no rocket science. Let's get into the technical aspect. Technical equipments are really required. You know why? Because if you have a poor quality of voice recorder or your voice is scraping through, then your podcast will not be published on various platforms as it will get rejected because it doesn't meet the quality of those platforms. For an example, if you record a video and your audio recorder and your voice is cracking, it's disturbing, you have not done the fine editing, there is a high possibility that apps like Spotify or Anchor might reject it. So it is very important to get your voice filtered correctly. So in order to maintain the quality of a podcast so that your podcast can be published on various platforms, it's important to improve and work on your audio quality, which is called sound equipment. What can you do to get your sound auto-filtered? I will discuss three things with you. See, if you are trying to make your podcast on your phone, try to use this app called Anchor. Anchor has all the facility and categories which will help you to get the podcast simplified and edited properly. It also has a recording option. Now, when you record your audio, you have to choose your microphone, which is called mic, very wisely. So let's say if you're trying to use the mic which is like this and you do not want to invest a lot, because this is a pretty affordable mic, you have to ensure that your voice is clear. You just keep it like around 5 to 7 inches away from your mouth. But this mic detects the breath of your mouth when you're talking. So for that, you might have to get a pop filter. What is a pop filter? It's a normal sound filtering equipment. It has a net in it, so whenever you're breathing into the mic, your voice and your breath is not rushing into the auto-tune mode of the voice recorder. But let's say if you're starting a podcast, you are not going to compromise on the audio quality, because that's all the viewers can hear. Like, at least in the video expressions, etc., you can cover it up. But when it comes to podcast, it's only the audio. So I would suggest you buy a decent mic. Like, I bought something which is a very affordable microphone. It comes with the mic, which looks like this, and it also has a stand. Hold on, I'll just show you. So it comes with two kinds of attachment. As you can see on the box, there is an attachment to use the camera, and also you can use your Android phone. This is some local brand, I just bought it, but the quality is pretty good for this microphone, and you can attach it to anything. So it comes with two sort of cables. Cables is the right word, right? Yeah, two sort of cable. So this cable is used for the phone, and this cable can be used for the camera or the laptop or the iPad, anything which you're using. It also comes with the stand, which has a socket here, and it can easily be fixed on your tripod, and you can just put it here and attach the mic, and you can start recording your podcast. Because guys, I'm telling you, it sounds very easy, but when you're actually recording something, you want all your full attention to the story or to the conversation you are involved in. You do not want any distraction, and you have to make sure that your equipments are aligned properly so that you are at your best when you're recording. So once you're all set with your technical equipments, you are good to go, and you can go ahead and record. Now let's talk about the challenging part. Now the challenging part is not buying a technical equipment. The challenging part is to find your niche. Find what you want to do, because you can't record something unless you have studied properly about it. Therefore, I am just going to discuss my example with you. If you are still discovering your niche, you better ask your friends and your family that what are you good at. Like, I can't sing. Like, I have no capabilities of singing, so forget the music, minus. Interviews. Right now, we are in the restrictive environment of COVID, so I cannot go ahead and interview somebody right away. So for me, I was left with storytelling. So I thought I should do something in this field. And my podcast is all about value adding. Try to use any niche which can add value to somebody's life. Otherwise, why listen? So what I started with is, because I have read Holy Bhagavad Gita many times, and every time I read, I find different meanings into it. So I realized that I should make something related to that, because although it's a religious text, but it only talks about how the human life should be spent. And I tried approaching Holy Bhagavad Gita in such a way that I can draw a bridge into this modern era. So now this was kind of my niche. I also called my podcast as Podcast with Ghazal. I try to keep it very simple, because when you publish your podcast, it will allow you, like how YouTube allows you to write the title, the descriptions, the hashtags, etc. Sorry, not the hashtags, but like you can add tags which can help people to find you on streaming platforms. It's like that. And that's very important, guys, because if you don't know what you want to do, you cannot just go ahead and talk about it. So start finding your niche now. Doesn't matter which category of the podcast you want to get into, it's very important for you to be well read and well prepared. So let's say I was trying to start this. I did like lot of scribbling scripts, like so many crisscrossed. What will I say? What will I not say? Like, and then finally I maintained a proper diary. Actually, I've been using this diary for quite a while, and I started scripting it down. Whatever comes like fair work comes into this, rough work goes into this, so that I don't get confused when I am actually using it as a reference while recording, right? So that's very important. Scribbling it down, scripting it down, creating a structure for your story, because you cannot just go ahead and ramble in your podcast. If you do that, people who are listening to you will lose interest. So with this, I think we finished pretty much everything, and as soon as I will learn more, I will definitely make a video to keep you all updated, because I learn with you. It's like I did not know anything about YouTube, but I started with YouTube, then I learned Instagram, and then now I'm trying to explore on my podcast field. And I will definitely mention the link of Anchor and Spotify down here in the link in my description. Please at least give it a shot and try to hear it. I hope you all will like it. Although I've got a positive feedback as well, but any sort of constructive feedback is more than welcome, and that's how I learn and grow. Towards the end of the video, I just wanted to say one thing. Yes, we all talk about algorithms of YouTube and Instagram, but I feel if you create a good content, keeping that you're doing a welfare of a society, I feel somehow and somewhere your work will get recognized and people will accept it the way it was intended. With all due respect to you all, there are so many great YouTubers around us, but you guys are the one who have made them great. Also support the people who are starting on a lower scale and try their best to grow on certain fields. Just shower your love, give us motivation to grow more. Drop into the comment section if you are also aspired to start something, and let's build a good community over YouTube, and let's have good time. Wishing you all the very best in whatever all deals you're gonna do. And do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and now also on podcast. Listen to it, let me know, and thank you so much. Bye bye, ciao, hasta la vista.